What's going on, guys? Solana, one of my favorite cryptos, and see what Solana is doing. Is doing amazing. It's holding pretty well on this area. See, from here it started going to the downside. Okay, let me move this to the left. Okay, and okay, let me also now got more room. So it's holding in this area. It probably is gonna keep doing like this, and from this area is going to the downside, then gonna start creating the red area and then going to the upside. So so from my point of view, I think Tolanas, it might go a little bit higher, and then it's gonna have the retracement. But remember, we're talking about 4-hour time frame, and this is for the next 24 to 48 hours, and probably Solana is gonna do the same thing it did here, also here and here. Okay, so it's gonna do the same thing here, and then it's gonna probably go a little bit up. Okay, that's what I believe Solana is going to do. Otherwise, it should be going to the downside, and which is not doing it. And now let's go to the daily time frame for the next 10 to 12 days, and you guys can see here Solana still doing pretty good, and it's holding here because it's holding on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, and what I think is gonna happen. Okay, if we don't go to the downside from here. Okay, if we keep going here, okay, sideways, like I said, it's gonna create this very small red area, and then it's gonna go up to the upside. And when it goes to the upside, you know, maybe here, this high, and then on the daily time frame, okay, around, probably it's gonna come around here, and then it's gonna make a retracement. And I think the retracement is gonna be around here in this area. I need to put the volume area so I can see exactly where it might go. I think it's pretty decent there. If once, okay, let me move. I'm gonna, okay, so here it's gonna start turning down, then it's gonna create the red area, like this one here. Okay, and then it's gonna go to the upside. If that happens, well, it definitely will happen. There's two chances what might happen. Okay, Solana might go sideways, like so. That will give Solana time for this green area to go to the downside, and then create the red area, and then go up. Once it start around here, it gives you the enter point, and then it start going up. We might get around here, and then Solana is gonna go up. Okay, this is the daily time frame. uh, the second option, okay, it might go up, and the second option is once it start turning down, if you see that you get some big red candles, pretty much like this, and it only start turning, Solana's go down. Okay, maybe that was too big. Let me do it again. Okay, if you get a big red candle, once it start turning down, believe me, Solana is not going to stay on the 55 EMA here. It's gonna go down. Okay, I don't know how it go down, but it's gonna go down probably around $12, $10, or even $9 again, or even lower, because I mean it has to turn to the downside and then create the red area. If it keeps above the 55 EMA, the green one, we're good. It'll go to the upside. Okay, so let me make it again. Okay, so the first option was going sideways, which I think is going to do, but there's a big chance that will come very slow. Okay, no, I think that was the, I'm not a good drawer, like so. It's gonna come like this, and then it's gonna come to this area. Okay, but once it creates the red area here. Okay, so the little curve is going to be around here, the enter point. If it keeps above the 55 EMA, it's going to go to the upside. Okay, so those are two options. It might hold going sideways, or will come. I think it's going to come. Sorry. I think it's going to, for me, I think it's going to go sideways. But the second option is it's going to come around here, then go up.